how to fix League of Legends unknown player error problem. So if you want to fix League of Legends unknown player error problem, then what you need to do is just follow these steps. So the first thing you need to do is check your internet connection because it might be related with your network. Unstable internet connections disrupting communication with Riot game servers might be a problem, or DNS configuration issues preventing proper data retrieval, firewall or proxy settings blocking the game client connections, or router or modem malfunctions affecting data transmission. If the network isn't the issue, then the second solution is the account-related triggers. Temporary account suspensions due to reported violations. If your account is temporarily suspended, then it might be the issue. Or permanent bans for serious infractions like cheating or toxic behavior. Or it might be an issue with your hardware ID, bans linked to specific devices. Or you may have shared your account or selling violations. So check your internet connection and your problem might be fixed. Or you can also reset your router. You can power off your router completely and then unplug all of your cables for 30 seconds and then reconnect your cables and wait for all lights to stabilize. And then check your connection before launching your league. Or if that doesn't work, then you can also try DNS cache flush steps. For that, you need to open up your command prompt. You can search for CMD, right-click on it, and then go with Run as Administrator, and click on Yes, and here you need to enter the commands. So the first command will be ipconfig/flushdns, and then hit the enter. And then you need to go with ipconfig /release, and follow with ipconfig /renew, and restart your computer. And it might fix your problem. Or if you're using third-party app softwares or scripts, then you need to remove those because it might exploit the game bugs and it might engage in a toxic behavior. When banned, your account status changes, preventing normal client operation and displaying the error message. The ban duration varies based on the violation severity, from a few days to permanent account closure. Or you can try the account ban appeal process. You can log into your account at support.riotgames.com and navigate to Submit a Ticket section, and then select Account Management and choose I need help with a ban or restriction, and provide the details like screenshots or explanation and relevant evidence, and then send. And within a few hours or 24 hours, your problem might be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.